This Halloween Spiderweb Chocolate Tart is no bake, really easy to make, and it's a show-stopping Halloween dessert, complete with edible chocolate spiders, which I'm going to show you how to make. This is the perfect Halloween dessert table treat. Hey guys, I'm Nick, and today on this episode of the Scran line, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool chocolate tart. Perfect for Halloween. Let's begin with those chocolate spiders. Again, really easy to make. You're going to melt some dark chocolate. You're going to start piping little chocolate blobs. Then you're going to stick a chocolate coated almond on top. This is going to give your spider kind of like a 3D pregnant spider effect. Those ones with the really big bumps on their back, those ones freak me out. Then you're going to pipe the legs coming out of the sides and pop this aside to chill in the fridge completely before using. You can use these as just edible Halloween treats on their own, or you can use them as cake or cupcake toppers. Let's move on to the tart. So it's made of an Oreo crust. So to make that, add the Oreos to the bowl of a food processor and pulse until you reach fine crumbs. Alternatively, you can add the cookies to a large Ziploc bag and crush using a rolling pin. Pour some melted butter into the crumbs and pulse or mix until the crumbs are coated and resemble wet soil. When squeezed together in your hand, it should come together, kind of like a cookie. Pour the mixture into an 8-inch wide, 1-inch high tart tin and use the back of a spoon to firmly press into the sides and the bottom. Chill this in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes and let's move on to making the ganache filling. Add all of the ganache ingredients, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, cream and butter into a heat-proof bowl and melt in the microwave for about 30-second bursts, stirring each time until the melted chocolate is nice and smooth. Pour most of it into the tart and then spread it around until it's flat. You're going to set aside about 1/4 of the cup of this stuff for the actual spiderweb tart. This is going to go in the fridge to chill for an hour, and then we're going to go and make our white chocolate ganache. This is going to form the blank canvas for our spiderweb. So this is really easy to make as well. Chocolate and cream into the microwave, melt it, pour it onto the completely set chocolate ganache, spread it around thin, and then back in the fridge to set. Now to make the spiderweb, I think this looks really cool. You're going to add that leftover chocolate ganache into a squeeze bottle or a piping bag. Now you want to make sure that your ganache is nice and thin if it's already set. So you can pop it in the microwave for about, maybe I'd say 20 seconds or 10 seconds might even do it. Actually, 5 or 10 seconds will do it, just to thin it out, and then start piping. So lines across first, and then you're just going to keep on piping that spiderweb pattern around. Allow this to set a little bit before you add your chocolate spiders on top, and guys, how cool does this look? It is so easy to make, no bake, you don't even have to turn your oven on. You're going to grab the recipe on my website if you want to give this a go. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you've got suggestions, comment down below, and I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line. Bye!